Hey, so my name is Bryce Tubbs. So today let's talk about, how this coronavirus, why it is very great and it's a perfect opportunity for you to help more people. Okay? So, first and foremost, one, when people are in fear, they're going to be in need of your services. Remember, as a life coach, one of our services and one of the reasons why we are in business is to help reassure people that, their life is going to turn out all right. It's in this stage where people are hurting, and it's the best opportunity for us to be able to improve their life, okay? Because they're gonna be searching for stuff. The second reason why it's very, very, very great time, to be able to help people is because they're gonna be stuck inside of their house. People are not gonna be going to work, so that means they're gonna be on social media a lot more than usual, okay? People are gonna be depending on what their job is and what the contract was, they may not be like actually doing a lot of work at home. So they're just going to be bored on the internet. Now, without you, there's not going to be anyone to actually provide great content that is positive and motivating and uplifting. Okay, so you need to be able to come and fill in that gap so that they're not constantly looking at depressing news or media stories about this virus. Okay, so it's our job to be able to provide hope for people and to be able to allow people to see a brighter side and understand that their life is going to turn out extra great and that it's going to be a great time for you as a coach. Okay? If you want to learn a little bit more about how to help people, I give more of a consistent basis on how to do this inside of my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. As the name suggests, we give you everything that you need to start helping more people consistently. Okay? Have a great day. Talk to you soon. See you later.